macro factors considered by the credit rating agencies in doing rating of debt instruments of various issuers. And by no means, please remember what I am discussing here, by no means is supposed to be the exhaustive list of areas which the credit rating agencies are supposed to be studying. They have to, their responsibility is to ensure कि जिस भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट का वो क्रेडिट रेटिंग करें वो थॉरो हो, और उसको थॉरो करने के लिए व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग उसके अलावा जो भी करना चाहिए दे हैव टू डू. सो व्हाट आर द मैक्रो फैक्टर्स दैट द क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसीज लुक while doing the credit rating of different instruments. Number one, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट दे विल डू GEIC एनालिसिस. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, वो GEIC एनालिसिस करेंगे. और GEIC एनालिसिस का मतलब क्या है, ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक इंडस्ट्री एंड कंपनी. तो जिस कंपनी के इंस्ट्रूमेंट के लिए वो उसको रेटिंग कर देने वाले हैं, उस कंपनी के लिए वो पूरा GEIC एनालिसिस करेंगे. यानी कि वो कंपनी किस इंडस्ट्री को बिलोंग करती है, इकोनॉमी की क्या पोजीशन है, इकोनॉमी में जो हो रहा है और उस इंडस्ट्री में जो हो रहा है उसमें क्या क्या रिलेशनशिप है, और उसका इकोनॉमी के डेवलपमेंट का उस इंडस्ट्री पे क्या इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है, और उस इंडस्ट्री में जो डेवलपमेंट हो रहे हैं उसका कंपनी के ऊपर क्या इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है. दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट द क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसीज आर सपोज टू बी डूइंग. Number two, they need to look at the strength of the promoters. So ultimately, remember, any instrument which is issued by a corporate, besides the financial strength of the corporate, what also matters is the intent of the promoters. तो promoters की नीयत कैसी है वो बहुत ही क्रिटिकल फैक्टर है. और promoters की नीयत कैसी है इसको गेज करने का कोई भी बैरोमीटर नहीं है कि आप वो मीटर लगाओ, उसके मुंह में थर्मामीटर डालो और आपको मालूम पड़ जाए कि भाई इस आदमी की इंटेंशन है कि नहीं है. तो इसके लिए बहुत कुछ रिसर्च करने की ज़रूरत है. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट द क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसीज आर सपोज टू बी डूइंग. किस आदमी का पास क्या है, इस आदमी ने पीछे क्या किया हुआ है, इस आदमी का हिस्ट्री क्या है, इस आदमी के बाकी प्रोजेक्ट्स में क्या पोजीशन है, इस आदमी के बारे में लोग क्या बात करते हैं. सो ऑल दैट द क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसीज आर सपोज टू डू. एंड व्हाई इज दैट सो? बिकॉज रिमेंबर, besides the financial strength and weaknesses of a company, the intent of the promoters also play a very important role. And why do I say this? I say this because if the intent of the promoters are strong, sound and positive, even if the company is sinking, they will ensure that the investors or the depositors are not put to any disadvantage. और अगर उनकी इंटेंट बराबर नहीं है तो इसका मतलब वो क्या करेंगे, वो डिपॉजिटर्स का पैसा खा के निकल जाएंगे और हिंदुस्तान से भाग जाएंगे. तो ऐसा ना हो, इसके लिए क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसीज की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि वो प्रमोटर्स की स्ट्रेंथ को एग्जामिन करें, प्रमोटर्स की स्ट्रेंथ को एग्जामिन करें. दैट इज पॉइंट नंबर टू. पॉइंट नंबर थ्री, मैनेजमेंट क्वालिटी. Management quality. What does the board of directors of the company comprise of? Who are the people on the board of directors of the company? What are their antecedents? Who's the chief executive officer of the company? What is his background? What kind of projects he has done in the past? What kind of companies that he has worked for? What are his leadership qualities? What is his leadership style? Does he have the capability of taking the organization along with him? Does he have a vision to take the company forward? Does he understand the implications of the debt or not? So all that is number three, and that is the management quality that the credit rating agencies are supposed to examine. At number four, they are supposed to examine the business risk. So business risk क्या है? So and when we say business risk, that means each and every aspect of it. Market risk की क्या position है, finance risk की क्या position है, forex risk की क्या position है, political risk की क्या position है. Is the company depending on couple of customer? Is the company depending on the couple of suppliers? So all those business related risk factors are to be examined. And why they have to be examined? Because जो भी business factors हैं कंपनी के वो सारे के सारे स्टडी करना जरूरी है. क्योंकि अगर उसमें किसी भी फैक्टर में इम्बैलेंस होता है, नाउ से फॉर एग्जांपल कंपनी इज डिपेंडिंग on one supplier for the supply of the raw material, and if that supplier for some reason goes off the business, then this company's business will also go off the business. As a result of that, company will not be able to produce and not be able to sell. And if company will not sell, then obviously company will not have the cash to pay the to service the debt and to also repay the debt. So that is how the point number 4, the credit rating agencies are supposed to be doing a thorough business risk analysis for that company. And remember, that is what their job is. And remember, that is what they are paid for. So credit rating agencies, please understand, they do not do a free service. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप उनके पास में जाते हैं और वो आपकी क्रेडिट रेटिंग करते हैं without charging anything. They charge you hefty fees. As a matter of fact, many times heftier the fees, more are the chances of something going wrong. So that also has to be examined, because ultimately if there are extra considerations, then those extra considerations invariably will result into some compromise or the other, which should not happen. Point number 4 is the credit rating agencies are also supposed to examine the financial risk of the company. And what is the meaning of financial risk of the company? Meaning of financial risk of the company is as to what is the size of the leverage of the company, how much debt company is carrying on its balance sheet, what is the rate of interest applicable on those debts, what is the EBITDA of the company, because ultimately if the debt has to be serviced, where will that debt be serviced from? That debt will not be serviced from the bank balance. The debt will be serviced from the EBITDA that the company will earn. The debt will not service from the new equity that the company will raise. The debt will not be serviced from the new debt that the company will raise. The debt will be serviced from the EBITDA that the company will generate. So it is the responsibility of the credit rating agencies to look at as to what is the size of the EBITDA, not only in the present, but also how much it is going to be in future. And for that, of course, the credit rating agency is supposed to be having expertise in the particular industry to which this company belongs. And financial risk is what they are supposed to examine, analyze, and ensure that it is duly taken into account when the credit ratings are being assigned to this company. So that is point number 5, and that is financial risk. Point number 6, ability to service the debt, which of course ultimately credit rating agency का सबसे बड़ा काम क्या है? Credit rating agencies का सबसे बड़ा काम ये है to tell the people that whether this company has the ability to service the debt, that is pay the interest, and whether this company has the ability to repay the debt. Now these two things the credit rating agencies are supposed to chiefly examine and chiefly confirm. And for that, of course, they will have to look at ability to service the debt. And as I said earlier, how will the ability to service the debt come from, or where will it come from? It will basically come from the EBITDA that the company is generating. So if the company is generating good EBITDA, and if the credit rating agencies, based on their analysis of next few years, 5, 10, 20 years, if they see that the company has steady EBITDA year after year, that they will take into account for confirming and assigning a grade or credit rating to this company for the purpose of assessment of that particular instrument. So friends, these are the macro factors considered by the credit rating agency in assigning credit rating to the instrument of the company. And please remember at this point in time कि credit rating agency कंपनियों की credit rating नहीं करती हैं. They do the credit rating of the instrument that is being issued by a corporate or by a bank or by a financial institution. So वो company का credit rating नहीं करते हैं. They do the credit rating of the instrument.